Welcome back to another GNCRC video. Before the video even started, guys, I'm going to ask y'all to go ahead and hit that like button. I want to ask you guys that are not subscribed to subscribe, and when this video is done, please leave me a comment. So today I'm going to show you the first mod that I'm going to do to the Tetra24 X3. Hopefully you guys remember me telling you about the lights spots right here where you can put some lights in. Well, today I'm going to do that mod, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I ordered some lights from Amazon, which I'll put the link in the description. I'm going to probably be needing some in the future anyway. These particular ones are blue, white, red, green, I guess it's like a goldish color, and then yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and get these lights installed and show you. So what color do you think I went with? In 3, 2, 1. So I chose to go with the blue to kind of give it a HID or LED effect, I guess you would say. Now I may change it to the yellow color. I'm not really sure. More of a fog-like look. Really simple mod, guys. I'm gonna show you how simple it is, guys. On your LEDs, you have a red and black. I know most people do know this, but this is for the ones that don't know. On your factory system, you're gonna have a red and black, and this is just only for your front lights, because the rear are on a different channel. But you're gonna connect one side here to the black, the other side here to the black, red to red, and red to red. Put some in the comment, guys, what you think. My next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably put a couple more LEDs in here. And also with these guys, you just want to kind of shoe glue them in, which I hadn't done yet, but I will be doing it in a few minutes. I just kind of wanted to throw this thing together just to show you how easy it is to put some lights in that bumper down there. All right, guys, until next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for checking out the video.